name is Udochukwu from the south part of Nigeria, and I'll be making the pepper soup that can be eaten at any time of the day, depending on what you're eating it with. It can be eaten with the rice, the yam, or the swallow like we know in Nigeria or in Africa. Ingredients: you have the fresh fish, the onions, the meat like the intestine, the heart, the liver and all that, bouillon cubes, the salt, the pepper, the fresh pepper, the spice, the pepper soup spice. This is crayfish, and this is the scent leaf. So what I do is that I go first, pour some water into the pot, and the next thing I do is that I pour in my meat. Okay, and I go with the pepper, and I go with the onions, and put as much as you want, and you leave this to boil for some time. So while it's still boiling, I have my scent leaf to add. And you stir. Yeah. And after that, I add the fish. And that's the catfish. And just allow it to boil. That's it.